Sanibonani bafundi, ninjani? Nami ngiyaphila. Hello my beautiful grade 3s. Welcome to our isiZulu lesson. So we have 2 more weeks guys, and then we are going to have our holidays. So in today's lesson we are going to learn about emotions and feelings. Namhlanje sizofunda ngemizwa. So emotions and feelings is imizwa. Imizwa. Say with me, imizwa. So these are the emotions and feelings. So I am going to teach you guys how to tell someone in Zulu that you are feeling happy, or you are feeling sad, or you are feeling angry. So I've tried to find some emoji that we can use just to show the face expression. So we are going to learn sentences that telling people that we are feeling happy or we are feeling sad. So we're going to learn them in Zulu. So let's look at the first one here. So here, if we're looking at this picture, so this picture is telling us that this person is tired because the tongue is out. So tired in Zulu is ngikhathele. Ngikhathele. So it means I am tired. Okay, so if someone can come and ask you, how are you feeling? Uzizwa njani? And then if you feel tired, you can just say ngikhathele. It means I am tired. Okay, let's say this word together. Ngikhathele. Well done. And then this one. So if you see someone like this, it shows that this person is angry. Okay, so angry in Zulu is ngithukuthele. Ngithukuthele. So if you are angry in Zulu, just say ngithukuthele. So now I want you to say this word with me. Ngithukuthele. Good job. And then if you are thirsty, so as you can see, this guy, he looks like he's very thirsty. So if you are thirsty in Zulu, you say ngomile. Ngomile. So if you want to tell me maybe in class that you want to go drink water, you can just say to me, Nkosazana ngomile. It means I am thirsty. And then look at this one. Fork and a knife. So it means this guy is hungry. So hungry in Zulu is ngilambile. Ngilambile. So during break time or before lunch time, if you feel hungry, you can just say to me, Nkosazana ngilambile. Or you can just tell your friends and say, ngilambile. Okay, let's say this word together. Ngilambile. Good job. Okay, if you are feeling hot or you've got a fever, you just say ngiyashisa. Ngiyashisa, it means I am hot. Ngiyashisa. Or you can just say ngiyasha. Ngiyasha. Say with me. Ngiyashisa. Ngiyasha. Good job. Okay, so here you are feeling sick. Okay, so feeling sick in Zulu is ngiyagula. Ngiyagula. So if you look here, ngi, it is I, and then ya, it is M, and then gula, it is being sick. Okay, ngiyagula. I am sick. Let's say it together. Ngiyagula. Good job. And then here we are happy. Happy is ngiyajabula. Ngiyajabula. Namhlanje ngiyajabula ngoba ufunda ngemizwa. Today I am happy because you are learning about emotions and feelings. So I am happy in Zulu is ngiyajabula. Say with me, ngiyajabula. So as you can see, it is I am happy. Jabula is happy. Okay, ngidabukile. Ngidabukile. It means I am sad. Okay, as you can see, the picture is telling us that this person is sad. So ngidabukile, it means I am sad. Okay, let's say this word together. Ngidabukile. Good job. When you are scared, you say ngiyasaba. Ngiyasaba. It means I am scared. So it is I am scared. So saba is to be scared. Okay. So we are going to practice this word together. Ngiyasaba. Say with me. Ngiyasaba. Good job. Okay, here if you want to say sorry to someone, you say ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyaxolisa. So it means I am sorry. So now you are going to say this word with me. Ngiyaxolisa. Good job. Okay, let's say you achieved something. So you are so proud of yourself. So what do you say in Zulu? You say ngiyaziqhenya. Ngiyaziqhenya. Let's say it together. Ngiyaziqhenya. I am proud. Okay. When you are shocked, you say ngithukile. Ngithukile. Let's say it together. Ngithukile. Okay, surprise. Ngiyamangala. Ngiyamangala. I am surprised. Okay, please guys practice these words. I know that you've got a worksheet at home that you can use. So take your worksheet and then stick it in your book and then keep on practicing to say these emotions in Zulu. Okay, remember those are the sentences because they are saying I am feeling this way. Okay, so I've got a question for you today. So my question is, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? So if we say, how are you feeling today in Zulu? We say, unjani or uzizwa njani namhlanje. So umbuzo wami uthi, uzizwa njani namhlanje. Umbuzo, it is a question. So I am asking you, how are you feeling today? So if you are feeling happy, so impendulo yakho, your answer will be namhlanje ngizizwa ngijabula. Namhlanje ngizizwa ngiyajabula. Sorry about that. Namhlanje ngizizwa ngiyajabula. Meaning today I feel happy. Okay. Today I feel happy. Okay. So I am going to ask you tomorrow, how are you feeling? Uzizwa njani namhlanje? So your answer is going to be namhlanje ngizizwa, and then you can tell me your feeling that you are feeling on the day. Okay, don't forget that. The question, umbuzo, is uzizwa njani namhlanje? How are you feeling today? So if someone comes to you and say uzizwa njani namhlanje, impendulo yakho, your answer will be namhlanje ngizizwa ngiyajabula if you are happy. If you are sad, you are going to say namhlanje ngizizwa ngidabukile. Or if you are tired, namhlanje ngizizwa ngikhathele or ngiyakhathala. Okay, so that's it for today, grade 3s. I hope you've learned so much. Ngiyabonga for joining me. Salani kahle.